C and C++. Installation setup in Visual Studio latest version 2026. Download, install on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Explain. Google search box lo enter Visual Studio, download. Enter key press. visualstudio.microsoft.com downloads. First link click. Visual Studio official web page complete display. Download section lo Visual Studio latest version 2026. Section lo first one community. It is free version. Blue color button free download click. Thank you for downloading Visual Studio. Download section lo Visual Studio .setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 4.2 MB. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Visual Studio setup.exe executable file. Select mouse double click. Visual Studio installer window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Visual Studio installer window lo bottom side continue button click. Getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Files downloading process start. At the same time installation process also start. Wait and here few minutes. File size 37.65 MB. Getting things to ready. Visual Studio installer window maximize. Installing Visual Studio Community latest version 2026 February month. Features updated version 18.3.0. Select your programming language. Scroll down. Desktop and mobile section lo desktop development with C++. Option box right side edge tick mark set. Next mobile development with projects necessary tick mark set. Scroll down and game development with C++ necessary tick mark set. Unnecessary tick mark remove. Present necessary. Next Linux related projects present unnecessary. Selected option installation details window lo display. Included 3 selected options related internal tools. Bottom side install button click. Downloading and verifying files. File size 4.56 GB. Start after installation. Box tick mark set. Installing section lo installing packages 2 to 509 packages. Done installing window lo OK button click. Second button launch click. Microsoft Visual Studio application run. Fourth option skip and add accounts later. Option select. Development settings general and interface themes light mode and dark mode. Default dark mode set. Start Visual Studio. Blue color button click. Close. Visual Studio 2026 get started window lo right side first option create a new project. Select first one empty project. Default complete empty file. First option select. Bottom side next button click. Configure your new project window lo project name delete key press. Enter the project related name Charitech. Created project saved location 3 dots button click. Left side desktop option select. Top section lo new folder button click. Delete key press. Enter the folder name C++ files. Bottom side select folder button click. Solution name project name Charitech. Related option left side box tick mark set. Second button create click. Created folder desktop display. Visual Studio has been uploaded. GitHub Copilot chat box unnecessary close. Charitech display. Last one option source files. Select mouse right click. First option add click. Sub panel New items option select. Enter the C++ project file name. Delete key press chari dot extension cpp. First button add click. File name chari.cpp. Bottom side 100% zoom display. Arrow click 150 set. Enter the C++ simple script. Top section లో local windows debugger green color button click. Executed output chari tech info Warangal display. Close. Right side top section లో first one option select. Mouse right click. Open in file explorer option select. Created folder and source executed files.